See the Diff Lock. We're in 4 high. And drive. Here we go. Diff Lock on a Nissan Frontier. The Pro-4X model, which is the one I'm driving. 2021. It's reserved for 4 low, and I think you can't go over 4 or 5 miles an hour, something like that. I have this mod. It's electronics mod from the Nissan Xterra forums, and as you can see, we are going, what is that, 20 miles an hour? 20 miles an hour on the sand. Driving along on the beach with the rear diff locked. First time doing it, testing it out. Seems to be working just fine. This is about the extent of the four-wheeling I do is the beach, but I thought it would be cool to have this mod. That's basically it. Go on the forums and check out. This guy his name is Ryan, and it's just search Diff Lock mod or locker mod or something like that, and he'll hook you up with the components. Super easy to install. It's plug and play, 100%. There's no splicing of wires or anything, and that's about it.